is good, Twetchians? This is Twetch Culture Daily, episode number 25, with your homeboys from IntheBox. We got Animal S Vision at 66.95, your homeboy Frog Hunter S Thompson at 16.73, yours truly Andres at 13.25. You can now catch us on Twetchcast.com. You can email us at IntheBox@Twetchcast.com. Baymail IntheBox@moneybutton.com. Let's jump right into this. If you're not on Twetch yet, comment below and we'll help you get on board. Calling all Bright Gang members. Do you even Bright Gang, bro? If you do, copy a link of your favorite Twetch that you have posted on your own in the comments of this post, and we will feature it on our website that we've been working extremely hard on. We got a lot of people on here already, right? I mean, we got Rod Sirloin, we got Prawn, and we got River, we got Flower, we got Salty, we got Cabal, we got Animal, myself, Andres, Kane, Vanished, we got K-Dad, we got Frog Hunter S Thompson, Masume. We got a bunch of people on here already. All it will cost you is one comment on this Twetch, and we will feature you on our website that we're having a lot of fun with. There's a lot of Twetches on here. Really good stuff. Really enjoying this. Let's move right on. Woo!
So this is Paola Pelt, not sure, at 38.75. Says, I made a video a bit about Twetch. I learned how to record the screen. This is really cool.
I really enjoyed this. Another person just posting content on Twetch. Little video.
Is this Misha's daughter?
I believe. I don't know if it's her daughter. I'm pretty sure it's somebody related to her.
So what's really cool about this is that a lot of people have started using a new feature, which is only available if you use pro.twetch.com, but you are able to pay people directly through your Twetches now by using /pay and then tagging the person, putting a $sign, and then putting the amount that you would like to pay that person. Great for tipping.
Super cool.
Yeah, really nice feature. I didn't see that one coming, so way to go, Twetch Dev. That's really awesome, guys.
This kind of eliminates the whole kind of tip button type situation. Really cool.
Which I sort of still think is coming, but this is a nice alternative for the moment. And then a lot of people have taken this and ran with it. Ben Sauer here at 5 says, /gay, President Randy, queerer than a $2 bill. Pretty clever.
Van Hammer,
says
Anthony.
And then here River at 910 says, /pay Ari,
my favorite one.
$5 for 1 Bitcoin. Very clever.
I hope Ari holds up to his end of the bargain and gives her at least 1 Bitcoin.
I appreciate the humor in this. Thanks, River. President Randy says Twetch is about to evolve. I think we're already seeing this, but that probably means that even more awesome things are coming soon. Moisty here at 4 says, just had a nice long chat with at 2 at Urban Arson. Everything we have been talking about for 2 years now is finally falling into
and that's
place.
Pretty big considering Arson is user number 2. They've been talking about this for 2 years. I think the number 2 is going to be a big part of Twetch in the future.
You know it's going to be a big thing when number 2, number 3, and number 4 are all excited about it. So I definitely am too. Here's spendmybit.com at 8458 with an offer alert, 15% and €9 off your first order at spendmybit.com, plus free hand sanitizer for all UK orders. Shop shopping cart over 6,000 products across 20 departments and pay using your hand cash wallet. Please share the love. This is really awesome.
Go Animal, what do you think about us buying something off the webpage tomorrow?
Yeah, we can definitely do that. We'll see what something cool we can find, and we'll go buy something. I like that idea.
I'm
we'll
down.
Definitely do that. Here's Gecko at 60 uploading a really cool GIF from Bitcoin Files. Very trippy, very artsy. I like it. And looks like Satoshi himself likes it too. Very cool, Craig.
Right? With the whole little iPhone, and he, I mean, this is definitely proof that Craig S. Wright, Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto, is on Twetch.
He's on Twetch. He's lurking.
Yeah,
he's
100%.
Lurking somewhere.
Thank you, Craig, for joining Twetch and being on here. And thank you, Gecko, for letting us know that he is on Twetch. Thank you.
Yes, so show yourself. Here's River again at 910. She says, "Be the light," with this super cool picture that I don't even think really got enough love. In fact, we're on our Relay wallet, so I'm going to branch this really quick. And that's really cool. I love that.
Isn't it cool that we actually stepped it up? We're not using money button.
Yeah,
we're using Relay now. I mean, we're not boomers anymore.
We're in the wave of the future, guys.
We were never boomers. We've always been Zoomers, man.
Okay. Here's Idris at 10517. Says hashtag Algiers, hashtag Algeria, with a really awesome photo. Look at the clouds, man. That's amazing.
Yeah.
And just
the
buildings as far as you can see.
Between the horizon and the
reminds me of a photo. I can't remember the user, but we featured it a couple nights ago, and it just kind of looked like a gradient, the whole photo. And this
I think that was Carly Jade.
No, I'm not sure. Maybe it could have been. But yeah, very cool. Thanks, Idris. And here's johnfitch.net at 6786. Posted for the first time in a little while. It says, "What's the craziest thing you've encountered during the quarantine?" This is a really great question. Lots of
look
funny
at all
comments.
the comments. That was mine right there. I mean, I posted it from IntheBox, but that was definitely necessary.
Randy says, "I saw some toilet paper the other day. It was crazy." So yeah, why don't you leave a comment on our video or go find John Fitch and tell us the craziest thing that you've encountered during your quarantine. Little update on the new users. Moisty here says that there's been over 1,000 referrals using Twetch invite links, and these have not been out for very long. So keep up the good work, Twetchers. That is really awesome.
That's a lot of money.
That's a lot, man. That's a lot. So here's a couple of these new guys coming in. Here's Matt at 10639. Just fetched me a Twetch. Right on, man. And here's Luke at 10643. This actually climbed really high in the top of the day list today. It says, "This is my first Twetch. Excited to be here and invigorated for the future."
He already has a Bright Gang star.
He's doing it right.
Profile.
He came out of the gate strong, taking our advice, and look, he was rewarded for it. So heed his advice, and look, there's actually even some pays going on, some tips like we were talking about earlier. So way to go, Luke. And that is all that I have for today.
You got any final thoughts on this little bicentennial?
My big final thought is
on this quarter episode.
Yeah, quarter episode, yeah. Go to Twetchcast.com, sign up for our Bright Gang, download off of our meme bank, watch all of our playlists, subscribe on YouTube, and keep building Twetch, because we are taking off right now, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. So I hope you guys are having as much fun as we are.
Hunter, what do you got to say about that? That sounded pretty freaking good to me.
Yeah, that sounds great, man. Perfect for the bicentennial.
The bicentennial. I'm sorry. The whole inside joke is I was like, let's do a bicentennial episode. And of course, Mr. Big Brain Gage had to ruin my party and was like, bicentennial is 200. So it's the quarter episode. It's number 25.
25. It's a Christmas episode.
25. It's been a great 25 episodes with you guys, man. I can say that it's been a journey.
Absolutely.
It's been every day. We've only been shy 2 episodes. That's pretty freaking big.
We're doing pretty good. And hey, this is for anybody watching, man. This is so real what you guys are seeing. I mean, we are building friendships right in front of you guys every day. And really, I think that Twetch Culture Daily isn't really about trying to make sure everybody's informed and they're able to keep up with the fast pace of Twetch. It's not really about that. It's about us having fun with each other and having fun with you guys. And if you're one of the few select people that's made it to this far in the video, we freaking love you, man. Keep
100%.
hanging out with us. Seriously.
Yeah, thank you.
we're
And
having a
you
lot
know
of
who
fun.
you all are. There's a few of you, about at least 50.
Yeah.
At least 50 that watch
Hopefully.
religiously every day.
Yeah. So thank you all so much. Seriously, get us out of here, Andres.
Well, if you want to get in contact with us, you could reach us at IntheBox@twetchcast.com. You could BAMM us at IntheBox@moneybutton.com. But aside from that, know the drill. You've been watching Twetch Culture.